Here we are, day 2 at the NEC. As you can see, it's quite busy today. We're towards the XJS Club Stand where we've got our Jaguar XJ-S Lister, which continues to get lots and lots of attention, which is really nice. Lots of lovely comments, lots of compliments about the quality and the craftsmanship here. As you can see here, as usual, full and crowded with people. I'm starting to lose my voice actually. I've been talking that much for the last 2 days now, all about the car, which is good. As you can see here, I've been asked to actually just show you sort of the interior, so here we go. There's the interior, new door cards. Laz made these because they all rot on XJS's, that's just a fact. Lister steering wheel, Lister seats, they had to be retrimmed because they had started sort of degrade and disintegrate, but it's all been recolonised as well. So that's actually the interior here. We've got Lister wheels, which are getting loads and loads of attention. Everybody loves the Lister wheels here. So we having a good time here. It's lovely to meet all these people. Lovely to talk about XJS's. As you can see here is the quick flash into the bit that everybody's really interested in, where the horses are stored. Hall 2, stand 7:30, XJS Club Stand. We're next to the iconic auctions. You can see it's rather busy around here, so come and see us.